Firefox not opening even after clean install. And if the browser refuses to start, this video will solve it. Are you facing a problem where Firefox does nothing when you click it, or it closes instantly even after uninstalling and reinstalling? This usually happens because of corrupted user profiles, broken background services, leftover files, or conflicts with security software that block Firefox from launching. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are complicated, confusing, and hard to follow, and they often fail to fix the issue. That is why Rexus is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes Firefox launch problems and makes the browser open normally again. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and helps Firefox run without errors or crashes. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Firefox not opening even after clean install, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally use Firefox again without frustration.